Hey there, Kentuckiana. Thank you for watching us on WHAS 11 Plus. I'm meteorologist Matt Breland, and we are in track to have normal August days for this week. Temperatures are going to remain mild to start off our mornings, and throughout our upcoming afternoons, we'll be warming up into the 80s, but otherwise, it's going to be a fairly dry setup for us. Temperatures will start warming up by the later days of the week. So let's go ahead and talk about the dry air that's in place, especially for today. We're going to continue keeping things less humid, and as we continue going into the later days of the week, we're going to gradually crank up that humidity with us. So we are on track to have a bit more of that muggy air head our direction, but it is still shaping up to be a round of cooler temperatures into the next upcoming morning. So typically our temperatures for the month of August start off into the lower 70s. For tomorrow and into our Wednesday, temperatures will be starting off into the 60s. So it will be a noticeable change to start off our morning hours, and as we enter the later days of the week, we'll gradually start reintroducing some of that slightly more muggy air for us that will bring in a noticeable change for our mornings. But the north wind is back around for this Monday. That's going to keep us quiet, calm, and dry throughout the entirety of the day. By 12 p.m., the sunshine is still around with us. That'll keep our temperatures reaching at least the lower to mid 80s through the afternoon and still feeling in a comfortable range with the humidity remaining very low. As we enter the later hours of our Monday night, we'll continue seeing temperatures slowly start returning back into the 60s. Our Tuesday morning begins with another round of that comfortable, quiet, cool air, along with sunshine that really arrives in throughout our Tuesday afternoon and into our Tuesday evening. Still a continuation of this comfortable pattern. Temperatures returning back into the 70s just later into our Tuesday night, and Wednesday morning is going to begin with a few passing clouds and the return of some of those passing summertime showers that usually develop later on into our afternoons. But tonight remains fairly cooler for us. We'll have temperatures ranging into the lower to mid 60s, wind staying on the northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So that'll help keep things on the cooler side for us as we start off our next upcoming mornings. Let's talk about the increasing rain chances later into this week. Throughout our Thursday afternoon, you can expect some elevated chances for some of those summertime showers, and into our Friday, still we'll be watching the potential for the development of some summertime thunderstorm activity. Now later into Friday night, we're going to settle into another round of quiet conditions. We should finally have a drier weekend for us. The possibility will be there for a few afternoon just pop-up showers and brief thunderstorms, but I'm still expecting sunshine to be around throughout most of this weekend. Another round of quiet conditions for our Sunday. The morning hours start off quiet and dry, and then our Sunday afternoon brings in another round of sunny conditions. So between Thursday and Friday, with some of those passing showers, rainfall totals could be reaching close to about a ½ inch of accumulation. So something to keep in mind just as we enter the later days of this week. We'll slowly start increasing those chances for those showers. We are expecting a warm up to head our direction by the middle of the month. I'm expecting temperatures to gradually start returning back into the 90s for our high temperatures as we head later on into the next upcoming weeks of August. So we're going to see some of those temperatures start gradually returning back into some warmer temperature ranges for us. As far as drought goes, we're still on track to stay very much in our average for this time of the year. Some dry patches still focusing closer towards Campbellsville and Columbia, but otherwise we still have decent conditions in terms of the drought. Here's a look at the next 7 days. As I mentioned, we do warm up into our Thursday with temperatures reaching about 90 degrees, and then later on into Thursday night into Friday, we'll be watching chances for showers, and into this weekend, those summertime showers are likely returning with us. That's a look at your 7-day weather details. Remember, you can get more weather information by going to WHAS11.com/weather.